Today we're going to be covering projected curves. What projected curves are is taking 2D sketch geometry and making it into a 3D curve with the assistance of some other geometry like a solid body, a face, a plane, or another sketch. It really allows you to get the precise geometry that you want very easily. What it's going to do, so let's take a look at this example. So in this example we have one sketch and a face on this body here, this half cylinder. And what we're going to do is we're going to project this sketch onto this face in order to generate a curve for us. So what we're going to do is go to our curve menu, hit project curve, select project a sketch onto a face. We'll select our sketch, go here and select our face. And as you can see, it's previewing this curve. So you can see SOLIDWORKS has generated this curve from those two inputs. This is super helpful if we need to put in some kind of, maybe this is a cam track, some kind of follower track. So let's use this curve for a swept cut operation. We'll do a circular profile and select our curve. There you have it. So as you can see, with not too much input, we can generate our 3D curve that fits perfectly onto our body. Now, that was the project a sketch onto a face functionality. Let's take a look at projecting a sketch onto a sketch. Okay, so what projecting a sketch onto a sketch does is it kind of combines the two input geometries into a 3D curve, and it will take sketches from two orientations and generate a curve that fits both of those sketches in each orientation. So in this example, we're trying to model the armrest for this chair, and as you can see, it's pretty curvy in multiple directions. That might be hard to generate a sketch for that if we didn't use this technique. So I've imported a drawing through the sketch tools and done a rough drawing around that. I kind of added some curve to make it a little bit more comfortable. And I know from my picture and from some measurements that the overall top profile is this sort of curve shape here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my project curve tool, select sketch on sketch this time, and combine these two sketches into a curve. And as you can see, it's previewing and generating this 3D curve, which looks very accurate to what we want in this chair. I'll go ahead and hide my sketches, my pictures here. And again, we can use this to generate any kind of geometry that we need from it. And then we can go to mirror that. And there we have our armrest curved contour. Thank you for watching. This has been Tech Tips with SOLIDWORKS, looking at the projected curve tool. Thank you very much.